Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your PS5 DualSense controller working on Steam using the easy method. This is a great way to link your handheld device to your current setup session so your buttons talk perfectly to all your favorite games. Step 1. Connect your controller to the computer using a wire. The first step is to use a standard charging cord to plug your handheld pad directly into an open slot on your main computer box so the system can feel the device. Take your USB charging cable, plug the small end into the top port of your controller, and push the big end into an empty slot on your computer case. Watch for the light bar around your controller's middle touch square to glow a soft blue or orange color, confirming that power is flowing into the pad. Because the computer needs a physical connection line to read the inner pieces of your controller, using a wire is the most stable path because it skips any wireless pairing steps that might freeze up or drop out. You have to create this hard link so the software engine can spot the new hardware immediately, flat against your background canvas. Without this step, your controller will just stay asleep. Step 2. Open your Master Configuration menu inside your Game Application window on your desktop screen. Move your mouse pointer up to the top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the word Steam, look down the menu list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for a large options panel filled with different preference rows to pop open right in the middle of your monitor screen view. Because you cannot change how the software reads your button layout if you skip the main configuration room, opening this central menu box tells the computer memory card that you want to adjust your active system setup rules. It ensures you have a straight and simple view of all your hardware options before you turn on a game. Step 3. Turn on the PlayStation Support toggle switch. Now you need to jump down to the dedicated device settings row and check the specific box that allows the software to translate your specific brand of buttons. Move your mouse cursor to the left side list inside the open window, click on the row labeled Controller, look at the middle area options, find the line that says PlayStation Controller Support, and switch it to Enabled. Ensure the selection bar updates to show an enabled status, matching your physical device type to the software engine rules perfectly. Because your new white controller speaks a different button language than standard computer gamepads, if this matching switch is left off or disabled, the application will get confused when you press a circle or a cross button. By turning this option to On, you drop the confusing guesswork and give the system a clear guide to translating your inputs correctly. It is the key step to getting the right output because it wakes up your joysticks instantly. And that's it. To get your PS5 DualSense controller working on Steam, you must first plug your device into your computer using a USB charging wire to create a stable link. Then you click on Steam at the top left and open your Master Settings panel on your screen canvas rows. Next, you go into the Controller menu and switch PlayStation Controller Support to Enabled to load the right layout maps. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.